Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dr. Firdaus. So today I'm gonna showing you my project is about flutter. So as you know, flutter is a application that gives you space for make your own website or your own application without any cost. So as you know, as here, I will explain you like several code. So I will explain the Zakat screen dot. Zakat screen dot is for for the example is when we input their total wealth or harta, they will calculate how much the zakat they need to pay, yeah, and you can see the result on the card, and you can get warning if your wealth is under 85 grams of gold. Yeah, after 80, 85 grams, and at the for the code flow or for the way the code will running. There is the controller input on here. Yeah, as you can see, the controller input for the input. So there's the final mass text controller, the controller rupiah. Yeah, this format is for the input as the Indonesian currency, which is rupiah, and is more makes easier for user for using like a type of money value value values. So on the zakat calculation logic here, there's the chart for the chart. There's the code, yeah, as you can see it here. This is the for the fight the hitung zakat and for the string clean value, yeah, at here. There's the input value, the minimum harta, and blah blah blah. Clean the input value and will convert into number, yeah, at here. We'll input number and we'll check if it hits the meet the minimums, the minimum harta. There is the minimum harta code at here, you can see. And if it is yes, we'll calculate zakat and the active at the 2.5%. If no, we'll showing the uh, reminders dialog. And the UI on the UI component, there's the card harta here. There's the green container with the label, the total, the harta, and there's the field total harta, and there's the green container with the label, total harta, and the input field currency formatting, and the button OK for trigger calculation. And card result for the result section. Purple showing the title of total uang, the money, and the result format the zakat amount. That's here. Zakat format. There is the app bar to add here. You can see app bar is for title zakat on the back button, the return preview screen. And there is the least view body, like the least view body children is for the make it the website can scroll the layout, and you can show the leader the image for input the card and the result. And for the example, when we use this A website is when the user open the Zakat screen. They need to enter their harta. For the example is 1 million rupiah. If you click press OK, the app will calculate the zakat becoming 2.5 million, and the result will appears on the purple card on the bottom on the side under the input button. And if you input below like 85 million, will show the warning. And this for at the gold price base for the NISAP calculation and the self result locally and for result. And we gonna uh move to we're gonna move to part to add here, part to add that. I mean the card result harta. So this function is for showing the result of the card or the UI. So for the title maybe it's total harta. So if the value is like 2 million, we'll just the function. Okay, I mean for the flow code, is there is the declaration data here. That is the final string title, final string result, and the final color. And there is the three data will sending for calling the widget. There is the title text, the result for the result or the number, and the color for the background, the card. And for the constructor, there is the cons card result harta, and the super key requirement this title, requirement this result, requirement this color. This for receiving the data from outside and they will saving on the widget. For the UI is for the show UI will container at here there is the container here and here the return container. This explaining for the container for the main box the rectangle for with the pending and the color. And the box declaration is for like the corner is more for like the corner is more smoother. I mean like uh rounded and for the color. And for the column is for stacking the text uh with the vertically. And the text title is for the text for the showing the title and the size box for giving space between text and the text results for showing the result. And for the example it's like if we put like the result 2 million will showing the 2 million rupiah and the color will change becoming green at here. And at here at the code to Cartoa. What is Cartoa? Cartoa is a custom card widget that show an image, icon, or illustration on blah blah blah. And the title is like doa doa or zakat. And the type action, the navigation, or the function. And for the detail background or for the flow, there is the constructor. For the constructor, there is the final string image here, and the final string title, and the final function on top. These are the inputs for image for path or the ways for asset image. And the title is for the text label, and on tap is for function to run when the card is tapped on the tap when tapping. And for the gesture detector, as for apps, the card is how it's can becoming clickable or click. So we can tap on the run on the tab at here on the context. And for the return gesture is for if the gesture and for the container right here. As you can see on the container where the container on the container is the decoration container. I mean for the as you can see as the padding on the column is for at spacing the inside the card and the stack content vertically and image and text for load the image from the asset and expand makes the image fill available space and text for show the titles with the custom fonts. I use the Poppins mediums for the fonts. And, and this will show the card with an icon and a label to navigate the door route when we tap on the screen. This is for the dashboard, yeah, as you know. So I'd say there's the void man, which is for the starting the point of your app for runs the my app widget. My app widget is like a class my app extends on the stateless widget. This is the root widget of your app. Our app is where our apps or cover everything inside the major app. And major app configuration I use like major app. The title is for the apps is Bitakwa and for teams is Teams Data and Movies. And set the data apps used by Android or iOS systems and apply the custom color schemes using the scheme from Seed or with the deep purple at, as the base color also enable the material designs. So this for the setup is for making clean the app structure and for centralize the routing and custom the theme stylings and easy to navigation between screen and screen. So we're gonna explain like a bit. So this for the main UI, for the dashboard. I mean, after there's the Assalamualaikum Fulan and this the actually this for showing the time periods and the location, but there is like some error right here. So we're gonna go to the Zakat page. So on the Zakat page, under like 1,200,000 rupiah and under 80 grams. Nah, they were showing the warning, warning image. The the nisab your wealth is have reached the nisab, which is the nisab is 85 grams. Uh, So that's all for me. Sorry, mistake. My name is Tariq Abdullah Firdaus, and yeah, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.